Okay, we got another one. Another unboxing. How cool is that? Let's watch the rocking intro. All right, this is actually a whatnot auction, and I can't remember what I bought. I just knew that when I saw the item go up, I probably said, well, for $1 or $2 or whatever it was, I couldn't resist. So I do whatnot auctions now, and I want you guys to join in on it. So let's first look at the first thing. Now, this is going to be quite an array. This particular auctioneer does do tackle. So we got a nice topwater 108-13 fishing spook. That is a really nice spook. Probably pick this up for a few bucks. This is a beautiful, 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 beautiful spook. Look at that. Let's see what else we got. You never know. I can't remember what I bought. All right, this is a River to Sea soft plastic 190 called Trigger Trout with a jig. It's like a 8. So that is a big swim bait. So that is a big old swim bait. And 9/0. That hook is a 9/0. Couldn't pass that one up either. Now, I'll probably give these away or sell them on my YouTube or my whatnot auctions. Oh, this is gorgeous. No wonder I went with this. This is another one, exactly the same, but River to Sea again. But look at that. Oh, you really can't tell. It's gold. It's a gold back, and just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful soft bait. It's a 190 with a 9/0. Sometimes these big baits I couldn't resist. River to Sea is an expensive brand, way too expensive. This is a 13 fishing, and thing's massive. This is a purple shad, 8-inch, and looks like he used the same jig for this, which is 9/0. So this is an 8-inch swim bait by 13 Fishing, and they give you some nose anchors to get that thing to dive a little bit on you. So really nice. I told you I couldn't resist the biggies. Oh, well, I know why I bought that. This one's for me. This isn't being given away. So when I saw this pop up, and people don't buy these. But let me tell you, these things kill on topwater. That's right. A lunker hunt phantom spider. These things are fantastic on top of the water, and it's actually a bright yellow. Oh, that's beautiful. So I got a thank you and a little sticker. Gracie's Palace. One more. This is my last one. It's massive. This is a line through trout. 10-inch line through swim bait. Look at that. Look at that. These are huge. So this thing feels like 3 ounces, 6 ounces. Oh man. I don't even have a rod that can throw this, actually. I don't even have a rod that can do this. So we're definitely going to sell this one online. I can't use it without buying an extra heavy rod, which is kind of like the next one I do, is an extra heavy. But look at that. what is that, 10-inch? That's probably, I mean, I went kind of, you don't usually see big baits for sale. And so I kind of went crazy except for that because I really like the Lunker Hunt Phantom Spider topwater baits. They work really well for a while, and then they don't because they do get a lot of water in them, and so you're always squeezing them out. But it's a great bait. I will catch fish on that. So what a great! I mean, look at these guys. I mean, I know. So go to my whatnot because we'll probably resell these. I love spooks though. It's a great spook. It really is a good spook. So I got 2 for me, 4 to sell. So anyway, the 25th is my next whatnot auction. So the 25th. And I got a lot more than just this. And we're going to really mix it up on the auction. And these are expensive lures. They just are. And I happened to get them for a really good deal. So I want to thank Gracie's Palace for giving me the opportunity to purchase these incredible baits. So take care, everybody.